Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
We have a 68-degree air temperature outside right now and a dew point value coming in at 66, so they're pretty close together. Winds are a little bit elevated, though, coming in east-northeast rather, at about 7. We do have a little cloud cover out there. That cloud cover has helped to keep our nighttime temperatures just a little bit warmer, actually, than 24 hours ago. But I think that cloud cover will start to disperse as we get a little heating, and the thin layer of clouds begins to mix away aloft. And we'll be left with a lot of sunshine, I think, later on this afternoon. By 3 p.m., we'll be at 82 degrees. So, again, a warm afternoon shaping up for us. Still, perhaps a degree, maybe, or two cooler than yesterday. That's about it. Otherwise, we're looking at a warm trend that continues right on straight through the week. 72 degrees by 7 p.m. Should be a nice evening, actually. Maybe an isolated shower. That's about it. Otherwise, 90% of us are going to stay dry today. We'll look for temperatures overnight that fall back into the 60s, perhaps a degree or two cooler tomorrow morning than we are this morning. This cloud cover caused by a frontal boundary that's located just to the north, and the hour-by-hour forecast shows that the cloud cover kind of mixes away and then returns at times. That's the thing with these frontal boundaries that are stalled out. They do tend to kind of lift the air a little bit and bring us this kind of cloud cover that we're seeing here. Plus, the winds coming in a certain direction out of the northeast are kind of promote cloud cover, and because the atmosphere is very stable, those clouds tend to stick during the morning hours. But as soon as we can build a little instability in the atmosphere, they tend to mix away. Now, this afternoon, we do have that chance of an isolated shower or two. But as I said, mostly that'll be in inland areas, and they should dissipate out as they move closer to the coast. And I think by the evening hours, we should be in pretty good shape. Then tomorrow morning, again, look for mild conditions, no rainfall. Patchy fog? Yep, certainly a possibility again tomorrow morning, just as it is this morning. Whether or not it will be widespread or not, I don't think so, but we'll continue to monitor that, of course, throughout the day, and Bob will have more on that at 5. We have some rain showers to the north of us, just kind of skirting the Atlanta airport right now. No big deal. It shouldn't be any impediment to air traffic, either at Atlanta or the Raleigh-Durham or the Charlotte airport hubs for us today. Across our area, well, we don't have anything. And as I just mentioned, we probably won't today either. We are kind of in a dry phase right now, warm, hot, dry phase, and we sure could use some rainfall around here. Perhaps we'll see some as we head down the road, but certainly long-range forecasts for the next 7 to 14 days don't show us very moist at all. In fact, if you look at the 3-month forecast, it too looks kind of dry. There's our frontal boundary stalled out. What will eventually happen is that high pressure to the north will bridge over this, and basically this frontal boundary will wash away. So I think we'll have a little bit more sunshine as we head into the second half of the work week. Warm, partly sunny, isolated sprinkles, slightly cooler, but very subtle differences, really. We are looking at temperatures that still are well above average. North-northeast at about 10 this afternoon, shifting to the north at about 10. That's when some cooling will probably occur during the evening hours. Should be a very pleasant evening, I think. We'll look for 82 as a daytime high today, 70s for dinner time tonight. And then as we head into Thursday, 81. Perhaps a 79 on Friday before we start to warm again Saturday. And then the next couple of days thereafter will feature temperatures that continue to climb in the mid-80s.